Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl aka.vks and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna do a full in-depth version of my base. Oh my gosh, I look crusty in the line. Don't look at the back. I don't feel like doing my hair right now, so I mean it's done. So you say something, you ET black. The first thing you want to start with, I forgot. Yeah, let me start with some moisture. Okay, anyways, the first thing you want to start with is some moisturization on your face. That's how you get the best freaking... Oh, I didn't even have the light on. I'm so slow. You're gonna start off with some moisture on your face so you can have an even base. I'm using the Drunk Elephant just face moisturizer right now. I actually like it for when I do my makeup, but like after I do skincare, I'm not the like biggest fan of it, but it is good for a little smooth base. I'm gonna come in with my favorite primer. It's gonna be the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and that's just gonna make sure your makeup does not move. But not only that, it kind of like fills in like the gaps of your pores and makes your makeup that much more smoother, in my opinion. Next thing I do is I color correct. This is actually a lot. Any discoloration, just anything, blend it out. And I use my finger to blend it out. I don't do anything crazy. That was a lot on this side. And this is just gonna hide the dark circles or the darkness that you have. And then now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And I first hit it with some eyebrow gel. I got this from e.l.f. And I usually do that when I put on the primer. I just forgot. While that's drying a little bit, I'm gonna come in here with my favorite concealer. It's the Camo Concealer by e.l.f. in the color Tan Latte. And I'm just gonna conceal my bags a little bit. And I only do my under eyes first. And that is because I'm gonna come back and actually brighten my under eyes. This is just to simply conceal, you know, the Gucci bag, the Prada bag, all the bags, you feel me? I'm gonna come in here and start shaping my eyebrow. I use 2 products for my eyebrows. One to just fill them in, and then one to like define. Like, I'm not gonna show y'all how I do my eyebrows. If you want to see me do my eyebrows, I'll probably make a short on it, but yeah, so give me a second. I'm not the biggest fan of my eyebrows today, but it doesn't really matter because we're not here for my eyebrows, we're here for the base. Anyway, so I'm gonna hit you with the setting spray, this Morphe setting spray on the sponge. It's the Jumbo Continuous Setting Spray. And I need to wash my brush because I was doing something funky. Like, I was over here messing with red lipstick and concealer. I was trying to be, you know, extra. Anyways, I need to wash my brush. Hopefully nothing extra pink shows up on my face. I can't really tell. It looks pink on camera. I'm a little upset. Oh, I forgot to spray my face. Doesn't matter. I'm about to cover it up. So, yeah, just gonna blend this out real quick. Now, this layer doesn't need to be that perfect, but the next layer definitely will be a little bit better. This is why this is my favorite, because like it has this nice little rounded tip and then this nice flat bottom. great for large areas and small areas. I can really get into my corners with this. This is why it's my favorite. And I need to wash all my brushes. I haven't washed them in like a month, I guess. I don't know. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in with my foundation of choice, and today I'm gonna be using my Dior Backstage in 5W, and I'm just going to drip that on a little bit and come in with my Flawless Face brush. So just like a nice dense oval shaped brush where you can just like basically paint the foundation on your skin. I like to paint it on. It depends on the type of look you're going for. If you want less coverage, you can use a makeup sponge because that's going to suck it up. If you want to look like you got painted on, use your nice little foundation brush. And if you want maximum coverage, use like those little spatula thingies. I don't know what they're called, but yeah. So I'm just gonna paint this on real quick. Paint my face. Okay, so now I'm coming in with a contour shade. We're using the LYS in No Limit Strength. I like to paint my contour on, I'm not even gonna lie, when it comes to my nose, because I want it to be more precise than like my face or whatever. I'm just gonna come in here and carve it out. This is extremely similar to the video I've done before. Yeah, I don't remember if I went in as deep or not, but I don't remember what I did in that video, but I'm gonna link it up here so you can watch it if you want to. I'm gonna do my contour first because I feel like it's better. I'm gonna come in here with my contour brush. It's nice and angled like this. And with the angle side up, the skinniest part. So like this part, it's like angled. So like this part, I'm gonna start blending it like this. So I can really get into the nose and create shadows. Like you see how the nose is already getting snatched? Bring it down. It's okay because we're about to cover that up with some contour. You see how the nose is already getting snatched though? Creating a shadow in the eyes. Babes. Now I'm gonna come over here and make my forehead smaller. I feel like my forehead is not even that gargantuous as it can be, because sometimes it can be big. But yeah, and then we're gonna brush it up. I'm gonna brush this contour up. And you're probably thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, that's like way too much contour. And it is a little bit if you're going for a more natural look, but I don't want to look natural. I want to look like I was sitting here for hours, because I was. And we're gonna brush this one down. So it might look like a patch of mud on your face right now, but that's why we're about to come back in here with some concealer. For my concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer as my base concealer. So like this concealer, like it's a really good match for me. And when I say match, I mean it doesn't like perfectly match my skin tone, obviously, but it's a good amount of like brightness that isn't like overbearing in my opinion. So I can use this to brighten up my T-zone, to brighten up this area up under the contour, and a little bit in the middle of the eye, because I want my next I want this concealer to be bright, and I also want it to be full coverage. But this concealer, the Valentino in MN5, it's bright, but like it does not have any coverage. So that's why I come in here with the elf. Like you can kind of see the difference. This one is more reddish and this one's more yellow. So that's why I use two different concealers. Cause the yellow one, the Valentino one, it brightens the way I want it to brighten. My forehead is itchy. This is a flat eyeliner brush. And I'm coming in here with the elf contour, and I'm just redefining the shadow that's already there. I like to do like a half moon, and I will probably blend that out with my finger. So I let this sit for a little bit. I'm gonna blend this out. It looks crazy right now, but trust me, when you come back with all your brushes and stuff, because if you're anything like me, you never just blend once, babes. Basically, how to get a flawless face, babes, is to blend. Blend, 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 blend. So I'm just gonna blend this out. Give me a second, I'm gonna come back when I'm finished blending. I want y'all to see this. I'm gonna come in here and kind of like make a C shape and then blend this out, because I want to continue to make the nose contoured. So I'm like kind of carving into the contour. I also want to blend the contour and the concealer so the line is not harsh as well. To really get that like even blend, you gotta come back. And this is the same contour brush, no added product. I'm just coming in here and I'm just retouching the areas to get that flawless look. You're really just gonna have to be in here blending. You see how like everything just like transitioned? It was looking harsh at first, and now it just like makes sense. That's what you want to see when you're doing your makeup. That's why I was not like really worried about like the contour looking crazy. I'm coming in here with both concealer and contour, and I'm just mixing them. Sounds crazy, but like, yeah, essentially it looks in person it's even. On camera, I don't know why it's picking up all these shadows, but you know, YOLO. So now I'm also coming here with my, let me wipe my hand off. I'm gonna come in here with my liquid blush. I'm using a Milani in the color Cheek Kiss, and I'm just gonna load my brush up and then dab off the excess, because I want it to be light. Like, that was a lot. I'm not a person who likes a lot of blush, so that was a lot. You're kind of using the blush almost like a second contour, because like you can lift your face up with your blush. So yep, I got that in there. And I'm also going to come back with my concealer brush and kind of like brighten the under eye again. Now I'm going to come in here and set the whole face. Well, not the whole face. I'm baking any area I used concealer. I'm going to set first so it can be the brightest. And I'm using Huda Beauty in the color Blondie. I'm just gonna set under my eyes I like this setting powder because it's extremely matte, and when I use it, my makeup does not move at all. The only problem I have is that it has a fake fragrance. So if you're like sensitive to fragrances, maybe you shouldn't use this one. But anyways, I'm gonna come in here with some eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow and eyeliner off camera because you came here for the base, and that's what I'm gonna give you, the base. Yeah, anyways, so I accidentally gave myself some thick ass Nicki Minaj wing, but it's cool. I'm coming in here and removing the powder and also setting the rest of my face. Whoa, that was good. That's actually crazy. I've literally never had that happen to me, but whatever. Get a little bit of powder blush and really re-emphasize the blush is already there. And now the part that makes it super good. I feel like that's like literally one of the I feel like that's literally one of the best ways to get the best beat. It's a whole bunch of powder and a whole bunch of setting spray. This is a brown liner. This is how I get my perfect nude right here. Then I'm gonna hit you with the nice little reddish color, not too much. Then if you hear something in the background, I think my neighbors are like mowing their lawn or something. And then like this nude on top. And then I hit you with the Beauty Supplies lip gloss. And finally, for the final little touchy touch, I'm gonna hit you with the little bit of shimmer. But that's usually how I do my beat. Yeah, I don't know. If you have any questions about the products that I will link all the products that I use in the description if I remember. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.